let me right now at this point of time, we're just
Yes.
about to reveal the greatest secrets of trading, or the greatest secret of supply and demand. Here is
Yes.
the daily. This is where many traders are getting it wrong. This is
Okay.
where we are doing it differently.
Yes.
Yeah, so on the daily, there is a minor zone somewhere there. There is a minor zone. I don't like it, but yes, it's a zone. It's a huge zone of
Zone.
61 pips. It's a huge zone. Yeah. So what do we do, buddy? We buy only on the 4 hour that is nested inside the daily, or we don't buy it all. Once a weekly push price down. What are we doing?
This is bit stronger. We'll see the price action as the price approaches this zone. But otherwise, it's better to wait for this zone to be removed and find another supply formed to sell it from.
So what we are saying is, once price lose momentum inside of this weekly, we see the
And
rejection candle,
come to AS.
rejection candles or distribution on lower time frames. It comes back here.
Okay,
Want it
yes.
to this one to be removed, and price come back to a previous drop page drop somewhere there, or
Somewhere there,
a
yes.
continuation to sell.
Yes.
Is that what
That
you
is
is that what you are looking for now?
that is cool. That is cool. But
Because
we will see.
my worry
Yes,
my worry is to buy on this demand zone.
on this demand zone.
Yeah, but I'm not saying we can
What
buy.
what about this one?
You see, I said this one, but I was keep
On the
quiet.
low.
I kept quiet, but I don't. I did see this one, but I didn't say anything about it. But yeah, so maybe this one is a level on top of a level. So yes, they can. Yes, this is
This
exactly
is stronger than
this is
this. This is
exactly what
strong.
they can do, buddy. According to what we are saying right now, this is exactly what they
Yes.
can do. They can do some loss of momentum somewhere on the weekly supply. Then they come and they
Yes.
break this one, pretending that they are breaking this one, but now found lost momentum again on this one. Then come back to a previous
Yes.
area of supply, then crash, because we know that it has to come back on this monthly demand for a strong push upside, according
Oh yes. Oh yes.
to
Yes. Yes.
yeah, they have to.
This may prepare the price here to supply zone to sell it to this monthly demand for continuation move to the upside.
So
Yes, that is a
in other words, we are not supply. We are prohibited to buy here.
on the weekly.
Yeah, on the 4 hour zones, we are prohibited.
No, we cannot buy from here. No.
Yeah, the only place we can buy it, according to what we just said, is this
Yes, it's
zone.
this
This
on here.
zone on the lower time
Yeah.
frames. Let's see it.
As you say, price will be losing momentum as it approaches this zone. This one, it will be losing momentum, maybe to no, not this, not this. The daily one, the daily chart.
Yeah, the daily one, the black one, black lines. The daily line is this one, the black line, and this.
Okay. The first one or the second one on the low.
Yeah. So on a daily, we have this zone. Remember, we have this one, and here it
And
is
this
on
one.
the lower time frame. I think we can buy
Yes, we can buy from that zone.
that zone that is next to this yellow.
This one. Oh, is it this one, right? Here. Somewhere here, right?
Down there.
This is daily. This is 4 hours nested in the daily zone, right?
Exactly. 4 hours nested in the daily. I want to show you something now. I want to draw some daily area with a with a demand, I mean with a trend line. I'm gonna show you something now.
Okay.
It will show on the lower time frames. I wanna show you on the lower time frame. Give me a moment. Now, I'm expecting to buy in between these two pink on the 4 hour. In between these two pink, that's the only place we could buy it.
Okay.
So we're leaving this one. We're leaving
Okay.
all this one, and we can only buy on that one that is gray in color. We're buying here.
Green color. Oh, yes.
Okay, just do it now, because now the chart is full of so many supply and demand. So the reason why, because everyone will teach you to buy here on the internet, teach you to buy there. But now, since the price is coming from a higher time frame, most powerful zone, these ones are going. Those ones are definitely going to be to get crushed